Noragami is a supernatural action anime from Studio Bones. It is produced by Funimation and is highly popular in the anime community with a rank of number 20 in the popularity polls. Noragami aired from January 5, 2014 to March 23, 2014, and the second season aired from October 3, 2015 to December 26, 2015. Noragami is about a minor god, Yato, who dreams of having a shrine with millions of followers. Without a single shrine dedicated to him, he picks up any job he can get for only 5 yen apiece. With 2 seasons out of Noragami, fans have been eagerly waiting for the third season, but for 5 years, there hasn't been a single official word regarding it. Will there be a season 3? Noragami Season 3 release date and recent updates 2021. Noragami Season 2 ended 5 years ago. The reason it ended before was due to a shortage of source material. That is, the anime caught up with the manga, and very little was left to be animated. But now the scenario has changed. Currently, 23 manga volumes are released along with some short stories. Also, the manga is currently ongoing, with more material on the way. Season 1 only covered volumes 1 to 3 and Season 2 covered volumes 4 to 9. The OVAs also covered very little. As the first OVA covered Chapter 25, the second OVA covered Chapter 24, with some Noragami, Stree stories, and the fourth OVA covered Chapter 41. There are a total of 15 volumes left to be animated. This shows there is enough source material for Season 3 and the reason isn't lack of material. Recently, there was a rumor saying that Noragami has been renewed for Season 3. But since no official notice was issued, the rumor died down. There hasn't been a single word on Noragami Season 3 from neither Bones nor Funimation. The popularity of Noragami is huge overseas. So there is little sense in not continuing Noragami. The most practical reason would be that the series got delayed due to the pandemic. It must have not reached the production level. That is why there hasn't been any official word on Season 3. Bones is already quite occupied with My Hero Academia Season 5, which is much more popular than Noragami. They have quite a lot of anime planned for 2021 and 2022. Noragami Season 2 ending. Yato's new purpose. Noragami Season 2 ended on episode 13, The God of Fortune's Misfortune. The episode shows Yato fulfilling his promise to Ibishu, and takes the newly reincarnated Ibishu to Olive Tavern. Ibishu is killed by Heaven and gets reincarnated without any prior memories. The prior Ibishu was trying to locate the Locution brush to tame the phantoms for the betterment of humanity. This was treated as a felony by Heaven and was executed for this. Season 2 ends with Yato finally confiding with Yukain about his past and his feelings towards him killing humans. He tells him that he doesn't want to do it anymore and wants to change. Nora overhears this and confronts them. It is then revealed that Ibishu was killed in place of Yato's father. Fed up with Nora's personality, Yato releases her and tells Yukain that he wants to become God of Fortune. Noragami Season 3 storyline. What would happen next? Season 3 of Noragami will be focusing more on the dark side of Yato. His true identity, his past will be unfolded. The character of father, which had been in the dark, will also be figured out. Bishamon, whose family was killed by Yato, forgives him. Yato's ex-Regalia will be plotting revenge on Yato. The reason for her revenge will be revealed later on. Yukain would be shown helping Yato in becoming the God of Fortune. It was revealed at the end of Season 2 that Yato, now wants to become the god of fortune. The relationship between Yato, Yukine, and Hiyori would be developed along with the story. At most, the renewal news of Noragami should be released by the end of 2021 or the start of 2022. If there isn't any news of renewal in the next 2 years, the renewal chances would go enormously low. Anyway, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Anime India YouTube channel. Also, visit our website for more anime updates.